Good morning, everyone. I'm coming to you from our first day back from spring break. I am not quite ready for the day, so I don't have my video camera showing yet, but I promise to be ready for my small groups and everything that's happening. Today's going to be a little bit of a easing back into school, but I wanted to give you a little video on what to expect. And of course, you can always email me with any questions you have. First of all, let's take a look. This is going to be sort of our schedule for anything that I'm doing on our Google Classroom Meet link that you can attend. So anything in blue is going to be like a small group opportunity. So even though maybe one name is there, the opening is there for multiple students. Any white single 15-minute slots will be just for that person. Today we have the Ancient India small group at 8 a.m. So that's less than an hour away. I'm really hoping students remember. I will send out an email reminder as well. And then at 11, I'm going to be doing a small group on how to write an email. I'd really love it if a lot of you could attend if you're not somebody who's practiced a lot writing emails. And I can kind of show you how to use your settings to your own advantage. Okay. And then tomorrow I'll be doing a small group on setting up Google Meets and Google Calendar and just really getting familiar with Google in general and how to help you with different tools. We can also make, these two small groups kind of go together and we can talk about other things going on with Google that you can use to really help you streamline your learning, okay? And then on Wednesday, I'll be doing the small group on sentence patterns. Again, these small groups are based on content assessments. I really want to help you get those completed. I'll be doing a small group on punctuation and then a small group on unit rates and percentages. Okay. And then, of course, our office hours are always blocked, but this is important here. Office hours are canceled due to our teacher parade that's going to be happening. So you'll hear more about that. Okay. All right, and then quickly, let's go over our agenda for today. Don't forget that the link is here to the one-on-ones. You can also access it on Google Classroom if you'd like to schedule an appointment with me, or if there's something that I haven't done that you feel is needed. When you come to class today, I'd like you to be prepared with a word to share about your spring break. The catch is you can only give me one word. So we're going to be sharing those to kind of give insight into our spring breaks while sheltered in place. I'm going to talk about the Unit 7 test. It's going to look very different, but we're going to be doing that on Thursday. And then the bulk of our time today during office hours is going to be committed to talking about organization of societies. As a class, many of you are struggling to meet with your groups or remember to meet with your groups. And I really can't do much if we're not meeting and preparing for those presentations. So we will talk about some ideas that I have. I'm happy to hear your ideas, but I'd like us to wrap up organization of societies this week. Okay, and then we'll quickly chat about writing my own myth, but we'll pick that up tomorrow. And then I am going to give you an announcement about summer school for PLP. Basically, if you are in danger of not completing your content assessments by the end of the year, you have the opportunity to go to the PLP summer school, which is just a few weeks after the end of this school year, and you can complete those content assessments. It's definitely something that is an opportunity, providing you some extra time to get those done. Okay, we can talk more about that. And then just some reminders down here, no office hours Wednesday. We're hoping to complete those presentations, our test, and then 3 days for Mars Patel, which I'm super excited about. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And for those of you who are coming to our small group at 8 a.m., I'll see you very soon. All right, everybody, I can't wait to see you. Welcome back.